Did you know that over 2 billion people traveled internationally in 2023, according to the Global Tourism and AMP Travel Council? That's more than 1/4 of the world's population. Imagine the enormity of that number. It's truly staggering. Traveling is a fantastic way to immerse oneself in diverse cultures, landscapes, and lifestyles. But let's be honest, it isn't always smooth sailing. Language obstacles, finding one's way in unfamiliar places, securing affordable lodging and meals, efficient packing. These are merely some of the hurdles frequent travelers encounter. But what if was a method to render your travel experiences less nerve-wracking? In this video, we're going to divulge 20 ingenious travel hacks that will enable you to negotiate the world of travel effortlessly. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a voyage that's as seamless as it is thrilling. Stay with us to learn how to transform your tense travel moments into relaxed adventures. Imagine this: you're John, a passionate adventurer who loves exploring unknown territories. John is just like any of us, smitten by the allure of the open road, the thrill of a new city, the charm of an unexplored culture. His backpack is his companion, his passport a testament to his adventures. Yet every journey comes with its own set of challenges. Let's walk a mile in John's shoes. Picture him in his living room, surrounded by an assortment of items, all vying for a place in his backpack. Packing, a puzzle that no traveler has truly mastered. What to take, what to leave, the eternal question. Then imagine John landing in a foreign land, where the language is as alien as the landscape. He's fumbling with a phrase book, trying to ask for directions, order food, or simply say hello. The struggle to communicate, a universal traveler's conundrum. Now, envision John hunting for a place to rest his weary head after a day of exploration. He's scrolling through countless online listings, wondering if he should splurge on a hotel room or opt for a more budget-friendly hostel. The quest for affordable yet comfortable accommodation, a challenge every wanderer faces. And finally, picture John in a bustling local market, his stomach rumbling. He's scanning stalls and menus, trying to find a meal that won't burn a hole in his pocket. The hunt for cheap, authentic, and delicious food, another hurdle in the race of adventure. But what if John had a secret weapon, a set of tools that could turn these challenges into mere blips in his adventurous journey? What if he could pack smart, communicate with ease, find a cozy bed for the night without breaking the bank, and savor local cuisine without worrying about the cost? Now, picture John's journey, but this time equipped with our 20 clever travel hacks. Hack number 1, packing cubes are your best friend. Yes, you heard it right. These little lifesavers are an organized traveler's secret weapon. They come in all shapes and sizes, and they're perfect for categorizing your clothes, making sure you can find that lucky pair of socks without turning your suitcase inside out. Moving on to hack number 2, roll, don't fold. It may sound like a sushi chef's mantra, but it's also a golden rule for savvy packers. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles. It's a win-win situation. For our third hack, let's talk about the unsung hero of packing, the humble shower cap. It's not just for preserving your hairstyle, folks. Slip one of these over the base of your shoes before packing them, and voila, no more dirty soles staining your clothes. Next up, hack number 4, packing dual-purpose items. This trick is all about saving space and reducing weight. Think a sarong that doubles as a beach towel or a shirt that can be dressed up or down. It's about looking at your items and thinking, how many uses can I get out of this? Finally, hack number 5, the mini first aid kit. From pesky mosquito bites to unexpected headaches, it's always important to be prepared. Pack a small bag with essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So there you have it, 5 packing hacks that will turn you into a pro. Remember, it's not just about fitting everything in, it's about finding a place for everything and keeping it neat, accessible, and organized. With these packing hacks, you'll never dread the pre-trip chaos again. Hack number 6, a translator app is your passport to the world. Indeed, in the modern age, technology has made it simpler than ever to navigate through language barriers. Let's dive into 5 clever hacks to help you communicate effectively, no matter where your adventures take you. First up, harness the power of technology. There are numerous translator apps available that can translate both text and speech in real time. Apps like Google Translate or Microsoft Translator can become your best friends when you're trying to ask for directions or order food in a foreign language. Just speak or type in your native tongue and let the app do the talking. Secondly, learn some basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello, thank you, or please can go a long way in establishing a connection with the locals. It shows respect towards their culture and can often lead to more helpful interactions. Thirdly, use visual aids. A picture can speak 1,000 words, and it's universal. Carrying a small picture dictionary or using images on your phone can be incredibly helpful in conveying your message when words fail. Fourthly, embrace the power of body language. Actions can and often do speak louder than words. Simple gestures like pointing, nodding, or shaking your head can convey a wealth of information. Just remember to be mindful of cultural differences, as certain gestures can have different meanings in different countries. Finally, consider carrying a pocket language dictionary. While it may seem a bit old school in the digital age, a pocket dictionary can be a lifesaver in areas with limited internet connectivity. It provides a sense of independence and can be a fun way to learn a new language. To recap, technology is a fantastic tool for overcoming language barriers, but don't forget the basics. Learning simple phrases, using visual aids and body language, and having a pocket dictionary as a backup can make your travels much smoother. Language barriers should never hinder your exploration. These hacks ensure they won't. So keep these tips in mind and let your spirit of adventure lead the way. Hack number 11, embrace local homestays and hostels. This is where you can immerse yourself in the culture, meet new people, and most importantly, save money. They may not have the luxury of a 5-star hotel, but they have the charm and warmth that those hotels often lack. Moving on to hack number 12, use accommodation search apps. These apps can help you find the best deals, compare prices, and read reviews from other travelers. Some even have loyalty programs that offer discounts or free nights. Next, hack number 13, eat where the locals eat. This is a surefire way to find affordable and delicious meals. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a taste of the local cuisine, which is often better and more authentic than what you'd find in touristy restaurants. Hack number 14 is to embrace the street food culture. This can be a great way to discover local flavors and save money. Street food is often cheap, fast, and incredibly tasty. Just make sure it's from a clean and reputable vendor. Lastly, hack number 15, take advantage of free breakfasts. Many accommodations, particularly hostels and B&Bs, offer free breakfast. It's a great way to start your day and save some money on meals. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. These hacks will help you save while you savor. Hack number 16, always carry a portable charger. It's a lifesaver when you're on the move and your device's battery is running low. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar streets, capturing the beauty around you, or keeping in touch with loved ones back home, a portable charger ensures you're never left in the dark. Moving on to hack 17, make copies of all vital documents. Your passport, Idaho, insurance, and even your travel itinerary. Having duplicates can save you from potential headaches. It's a simple step that provides a safety net in case of loss or theft. Next up, hack number 18. Embrace local cuisine. Not only is it a delicious way to immerse yourself in the culture, but it's also generally more affordable than sticking to what's familiar. Be adventurous with your taste buds. Hack 19 is all about staying flexible with your plans. Delays, cancellations, and unexpected opportunities are all part of the travel experience. Embrace the unknown and be open to spontaneous adventures. Remember, sometimes the best stories come from unplanned moments. And finally, hack number 20. Keep a travel journal. Document your experiences, thoughts, and feelings. It's a priceless souvenir that captures the essence of your journey like nothing else can. With these final hacks, you're well on your way to mastering the art of travel. Now, let's revisit our friend John. Remember John? He's our hypothetical traveler whose journey we've been tracing throughout this video. Well, John's adventure is entirely different now. He's packing like a pro, not wasting a single inch of his suitcase. Language barriers? Not an issue anymore. John's been navigating foreign languages with ease and confidence, thanks to a couple of handy apps and a pocket-sized phrase book. His accommodation and food? Affordable and authentic. He's found hidden gems in the local markets and stayed in the coziest of homestays. And the best part, he's been enjoying the journey, not just the destination. John's story has taken a turn for the better, all because he mastered the art of travel with our 20 clever hacks. So, are you ready to embark on your next adventure, equipped with these 20 clever travel hacks? Safe travels, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. Did you find John's journey inspiring? Do these travel hacks sound like the missing pieces to your travel puzzle? If so, we invite you to become part of our YouTube family. Simply hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our practical life hacks and travel tips. And if you've got travel buddies who could use these hacks, feel free to share this video with them. We're all about making life easier and more enjoyable for you and your friends too. So stay tuned and let's keep adding more fun, more efficiency, and more adventure to your travels. Happy travels and see you in our next video.